Welcome back. Fathoda MLA and ad hoc committee member Damodar Naik on Friday objected the procedure followed to conduct the ad hoc committee meetings. He said that the ad hoc committee meeting is turning into Janta Darbar. He raised his objection at the ad hoc meeting on PWD transport and Panchayat in Panji.
Damodar Naik said that ad hoc committee meeting has kept open for public so that they can put forth their grievances and suggestions only on demands. However, he said that these meetings are now turning into Janta Darbar and public grievances.
आणि जे कितें सजेशन्स असतात, डिमांड्स असतात ते थ्रू पब्लिकांतल्यान सजेशन घेवपाचे आणि ते बजेटान भितर इनकॉर्पोरेट करपाचे अशें तें ताजो सगळो प्रोसेस आसा. हळू एक बरी मार्ग हांगा कळ्ळा, पूण तातूंत मातशें चुकतात तें आमी सुदारपाक जाय. तें म्हटल्यार जनता दरबार जावपाक लागला आनी पब्लीक ग्रीवेन्सीस जावंक लागले आनी मागीर मिनिस्टर जशें आन्सर करता तशें सगळें आन्सर करपाक लागले.
Naik also directed PWD Principal Chief Engineer A.M. Vachasundar not to give assurances to public as it is beyond their power. Vachasundar had earlier assured to hike water tariff to avoid unnecessary wastage of water in Goa.
It is to government to decide.
So that committee can suggest.
Yeah, तुम्ही सांगले न्ही tariff वाडयता म्हणून.
No,
You are not the authority to decide.
No, I cannot. So therefore.
It's clearly in the house. It's mentioned somewhere. It's on record that this government will not go for any hike or any increase in the tariff.
Dr. Pramod Sawant demanded that Panchayat should stop issuing licenses to Ayurvedic massage parlors without the permission of concerned authorities. He said that this will stop mushrooming of illegal Ayurvedic massage parlors in Goa.
खरे आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स असतात त्यांना ते जेन्ना बिझनेस करपाक वतात ते जेन्ना पंचायती कडेन आपल्याक एनओसी मागता जेच्या कडेन GDISM गोवा बोर्ड ऑफ इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन हाजें जेन्ना रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट आसा जाल्यार पंचायत तांकां एनओसी दिना. म्हणजे हे केरळ कर्नाटका हांगा साकून आयिल्ले म्हाजो आरोप आसा की बरेचशे सरपंचांक ते घुसखोरी किंवा लाच दिवन ते एनओसी घेता आनी एवरी इयर तेंची नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट ही रिन्यू करता. त्या खातीर तांकां रजिस्ट्रेशन कोणी दिवचें आयदर कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, कारण ते आयुर्वेदिक मसाज जेन्ना म्हणटा आसत तेन्ना कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा आयुर्वेदिक बोर्ड इज इन एक्झिस्टिंग आयुर्वेदा बोर्ड ऑफ इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन इन TB चेस्ट ऑफ मारगांव हांगासर आसा. आयदर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट एंड दॅट बोर्ड should be taken into the consideration to give the license for these doctors and that should be the legalized.
Panchayat Director Minin D'Souza assured to look into the grievances put forth by Pramod Sawant on illegal Ayurvedic massage parlors.
Similarly, if the health department issues the license, and then only the Panchayat may issue. We can issue the certificate, but this matter will be taken up to the
illegal society बंद करा.
Definitely, unless a license is given by some authority like health department, only then the Panchayat we can do that.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
BJP state spokesperson Govind Parvatkar has asked central government to scrap all SEZs in Goa. Parvatkar questioned that if central government can denotify DLF's SEZ, then why can't it scrap all the Goans' SEZs? Parvatkar called this act of Central Commerce Ministry as a secondary treatment to Goa government.
Parvatkar has alleged current government of acting dishonestly on SEZ issue. According to him, Central Commerce Ministry is not taking state government seriously.
की गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री गोंयच्या लोकांक फटयतात की SEZ स्क्रॅप जाले म्हणून. आणि मजा अशी DLF लिमिटेड जी आसा तिणी म्हणजे आता सध्या रिसेशन असल्यामुळे बऱ्याचशा SEZांचो डिमांड गेलो. त्यामुळे DLFन आपली 4 SEZ डिनोटिफाय करून घेतली. गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचें सेंट्रलाक कांयच चलना असो जर जाता DLF लिमिटेड आपली 4 डिनोटिफाय करून घेवंक शकता जाल्यार गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आपली 3 जी नोटिफाय जाल्ली आसा आनी गोंयकारांक नाका ती डिनोटिफाय करून घेवंक शकना असो जर जाता. त्यामुळे अनेक प्रश्नाचे जशे हे गव्हर्मेंट लोकांक गोंयच्या लोकांक फटयता तसे SEZच्या विशयाचेरी आतापर्यंत फटयत येयल्ले आसा.
BJP demanded that 3 notified SEZs in Goa should be denotified immediately.
रहिजाक जर त्यांचो SEZ प्रोजेक्ट फुडें व्हरपाक टायम एक्सटेंशन दिता जाल्यार हे गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आनी सेंट्रलचे दोनूय एकाच पार्टीचे गव्हर्मेंट गोंयच्या जनतेक फटयतात हें तेणी फटोवपाचें बंद करचें आणि ताबडतोब तीन जी नोटिफाय केल्ली SEZ आसा ती डिनोटिफाय करची अशी भारतीय जनता पार्टीची मागणी आसा.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Center for Sustainable Transport has given a roadmap to CCP to make traffic in Panji smoother and eco-friendly. Seema Tiwari, director of the institution, is also working on Talegaon and Santa Cruz transport. On World Environment Day, let us see how our road transport can be more environment friendly.
Seema Tiwari has done presentation to Talegaon on MLA Babush Monserrat and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar along with CCP. She disclosed more about the plan proposed for Panji city.
Presentation together, to show international best practices. So some international examples for good bus systems and cycling and pedestrian paths, and we presented it to them. They in fact have offered their full support for the city of Panjim, really to kind of put the public transport in place, the bus systems in place, and to get funding for the cycle paths. Panjim city, Talegaon, Santa Cruz, this is the area we are looking at. Of course, it's doable all over Goa, but let's take one step at a time. Goa is a small state; it can happen in all cities. But if we are successful in one city, then we can always replicate.
Less vehicle creates less pollution and no traffic congestion is the basic pretext of Seema's presentation.
If you see what is really under the problem, you see the number of cars and the number of people. And you see the same number of people, in the second picture, and you see one bus. Yeah? And then the same number of people and you see, those many cycles. Now, if you see all these three pictures, definitely, where do you see congestion? In the first picture, So that is why this is really the main reason, when we say we focus on moving people and not vehicle, this is what we mean, because it helps in decongestion.
But Seema feels that such kind of plans can be implemented if there is strong political will to solve the problem.
Number one, it depends on political will. If we have political support, these can happen. In Panjim, looking at the size of the city, it can all be done in 2 to 3 years. But if there is no political will, it's very hard. It's very hard.
With video journalist Ganesh Hodkar, a reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. In our next segment, watch news from sports. Stay tuned.